What is a MAC address? So that is the topic of this video. Now the MAC or the Media Access Control Address is an identifier that every network device uses to uniquely identify itself on a network. So no two devices anywhere in the world will have the same MAC address. The MAC address is made up of 6-byte hexadecimal number that is burned into every NIC by its manufacturer. The MAC address can contain any number and it also contains alphabets from A to F. The MAC address is broken up into two parts. The first 3 bytes identify the manufacturer of the NIC, such as Linksys, TP-Link, and so on, and the last 3 bytes are a unique number from manufacturer that identifies each device on a network. The MAC address is also referred to as the physical address or hardware address. Now MAC addresses are formatted in different ways. On a Windows computer, it will look like this, with dashes in between the digits. On Apple and Linux systems, it would have colons in between digits. And Cisco would display the MAC address like this, which 4 sets of digits are separated by periods. So, what exactly is the purpose of MAC address? The purpose of the MAC address is so network devices can communicate with each other. Whenever a device wants to talk with another device, it's alternative than using the MAC address. And this is whether the devices are close with each other, such as being on the same network, or if they are in thousands of miles apart on different networks. The bottom line is a device which communicate with each other using the MAC address. Now, you may be asking yourself, if devices talk to each other using the MAC address, what is the purpose of an IP address? I mean, are an IP address is also unique, while public IP addresses are unique. But public and private IP addresses can periodically change. So, you may have had a strange IP addresses for the past few months, but an internet service provider or a network administrator can change your IP to a different one. But MAC addresses don't change. They are permanent. But and the way TCP/IP works, which is a language that used on networks and the internet. A networking device needs both an IP address and a MAC address. The IP and MAC address work together so devices can talk with each other. As I said before, a MAC address is used to identify a device, but an IP address is used to locate a device.